It's important that you follow the proper steps for enrolling at Los Angeles Trade Technical College. Number 1, fill out an application to attain a student ID number. That ID number is needed to identify yourself when it comes to all transactions on campus. Number 2, sign up for a TBA orientation. You must attend an orientation in order to learn more about what we have to offer here on campus. Number 3, take the TABE pretest. This test will help us place you. Number 4, see a counselor. Now this is critical to your success. Counselors will help you with your educational plan. Number 5, apply for financial aid. More than 83% of our students are eligible for financial aid. You might be one of them. Number 6, enroll online for classes. And do it early. Waiting until the last minute to enroll will make it much more difficult to find open classes. Number 7, secure your student ID card. You will need the photo ID throughout your time on campus. And number 8, pay your fees. You can do that in the business office. Welcome to the spring semester 2012 at LA Trade Tech. Virtually all of our spring semester classes are now filled. So we have implemented an electronic standby waiting list system for each class. No one is allowed to crash classes. So what does crashing classes mean? That means entering classrooms with others and seeking ad card from instructors who are using a random selection process. It also means looking for ad cards before you have officially enrolled in school. It also means looking to add classes on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th day of the semester. It also means obtaining an ad card even though you know you haven't fulfilled the prerequisites. We will continue to add students. By adding, we mean finding a class where there are empty seats or a short standby wait list, going to the first class session to see if there is enough space to receive an ad card. Chances are it won't happen. There may be a few seats available. If there are no seats available, then the student will be directed to orientation and hopefully will return next semester. This is our message. No crashing classes this semester. You'll see something new along the LA Trade Tech College campus this spring. The Expo Light Rail line is currently testing. The line is running along the west side of our campus, splitting off the blue line at Washington and Flower. This line will have a station at Flower and 23rd for our students and staff who ride. But for our students and staff who drive to campus, we need to talk about safety. Potentially the most dangerous situation involves the left turn onto the F-ramp from Flower Street. With students and staff trying to hurry to get to class or their desk, we are concerned people will become impatient in the left turn lane and will try to beat the train. Please don't. The few minutes you save are not worth losing your life. If you run the red light, you risk a very expensive ticket. That money could pay for fees on a couple of classes or maybe a semester of books. Wait until the left-hand turn light turns green before entering the F-ramp. We expect traffic delays during the first few days of the new semester, but we hope instructors will be lenient given the confusion about the new light rail line. As students and staff exit the F-ramp, there will be some times when moving trains or the train warning light will cause a backup onto the F-ramp. The potential danger here is that the view of the train tracks to the north is limited. Make sure you pay attention to the train warning signal and look both ways. Some students attend classes in the F building and they do not park on the F lot. They park across Flower Street from the F building. The problem is that many choose to cross the train tracks at places other than the crosswalks. If you park across Flower, please use the crosswalk, either at Washington or at 21st Street. Do not jump over the rail and cross the tracks. Always use the crosswalks. We know Trade Tech students and staff have exercised good judgment in and around the blue line for years. We expect the same with the Expo line. Just a reminder, be very careful around the trains.